will say plus 3.88. And then I will go to the other side from this side وصلتكم هي وصلتكم كذا وده زي زرار وده زي XX so length to cent it's the same here زطينا صممته 4 minus we have 3 columns بالا sus and بالا غلط but the footing type is sustained. So زطينا calculator زطينا صممته 4 minus footing 2 with sentinel and not almost plus minus and not almost plus 0.5 سميت نطب 8 like repeat. This is one footing كذا سكة النص footing 1 الله footing 1 with and نطب ولد plus 0.5 the working place since سمنت نطب أسرارات كذا we have footing 3 also سكة النص and نطب ولد minus plus نطب ولد okay سمنت نطب أسرارات سمنت نطب أسرارات minus and نطب ولد plus 0 نطب is 7 نطب 4 okay. I found this side excavation length يدمر 7 نطب 4 okay now نزور around the building the trench excavation. I have here XX sectioning. Okay, I have also here 3 columns that will be deducted from the length of the wall and flat sourced part because I already calculated in the bit. Do have to calculate it in the trench excavation again. So I will take the length. The length is from here. 10 نطب رتمته 10 also minus the columns. I have footing 3. What's the length of it? This the length is and نطب flat minus and نطب فلات plus 0 نطب 5 from the 2 sides working place times تكنسل 9 نطب 5 minus I have another footing F3 also. So if we just say like سيبازة anyhow عندنا and نطب فلات plus 0 نطب 5 تكنا سمنت نطب 8 كذا زي اوكي عرفت كذي ስለዚህ ይሄ ይባዛ ማይነስ 2 ይባዛ 1 ነጥብ 2 ፕለስ 0 ነጥብ 5 ስንት መጣ? 8 ነጥብ 67 በቃ from this side also we closed it, the whole wall of the building, around the building trench excavation. انت وضع 8 نطب 67 and then I will come to the width. The width is of the trench excavation 1 meter. Let's see, the you can also take it from the footing, because it's from here to here on the path. We can take it, yes. This is the depth of the path. I can, okay, 1 meter. Or 1 meter, but that's from here, and then only, and then the depth. I will go to the drawing of the sectioning of the trench excavation. Here, the depth is 0 meter 6 meter, actually 6 millimeter, to change it. And then here also 0 meter 0.5 here, plus here the link concrete plus. Okay, we'll go to the tips. 0 plus 0 meter 6 meter. This is the depth. All of them from this meter. Incomplete. And 2 meter, when you change it, it will be like this. See this? Anyhow, yes. Finish the depth unnecessarily because it's in the drawing. Like baza. Assessment. Right, let's go. But then it's okay. Anyhow, the tips definition is meter cubed. Sometimes the structural drawings, especially such drawings like this, it's this drawing they're all was about to execute it. It's from one friend of me, Abraham Tamaran, because he got this project again initially just they didn't start it, they just got the drawing from the architecture and they start just she wanted the initial cost and then he asked my help. I like to help because I practice also. I save it now. I'm fast. Like just if I have something I forgot, I just review and start again. It will be easy for me. I remember even the rules, but that's why I practice it. It's okay with them. And then this is in Samara and Afar. Actually, most of the Afar houses, they not high raised, maybe maximum 4, and they use masonry. Everything, the foundation, but her house is good. It's made by isolated footings, reinforced. Again, Obzani and Afar, they use the normal like masonry foundation, masonry wall. They didn't use a lot of things. Reinforcement a little bit for the masonry and but not footings, foundation isolated or combined or no. For the cost and for the they don't like high quality, I think. Anyhow, I finished it. Yes, Excavation finished. So you just take all the, and then you minus the columns, and then you can take immediately because it's for floor. You will take the, if you want the concrete, the formwork, for the wall. Here it's all of them here. The depth of the width. Here is the stirrups. Stirrups we use it for the bar schedule. Only Leila نتكلم. I will show you the bar schedule, but not for this project. Another project. Okay, enough for the trench. And I will show you the drawing. How I will explain it to you now. It's like a foundation. Hulum isolated natural. Here is the straight stairs بوطة وهلا stairs like ground line with the now before the ground floor foundation and like it's a ground floor level 0. Okay. 2 millimeter thickness. The depth of the foundation. Anyhow, yeah, we used it. I told you 1 meter for the excavation. We used this. Anyhow, here is the mesh. There is reinforcement bars زي mesh الدراجات. And this is the footing elements. Then we got the column constructed الدرج مجمرة the bars and then يمولى الكونكريت formworks من كذا concrete. It's good to take the quantity. You can easily calculate it for yourself also. Structural drawings. We will start with the cartaway. All the materials. out of the site, like you materials of the topsoil that has been excavated, material of the trench excavation, and everything. So I would say a site clearance. I will add it. Area, I don't have to count it again because I already have for site clearance. I have the carry plus the buckle excavation plus for the pit also, yes, we excavated. Any excavation that has been done, you will take the material called that has been excavated out of the site. It's called a cartway. Then site clearance I have here to Salasa. Add it like one. Also the buckle. You can just copy paste or just do it like this. Okay, the buckle excavation because I deleted from here. How much previous number? Anyhow, I just made it roughly like examples only. I didn't do it full mulu la mulu, but for the buckle and site clearance range excavation is mulu. Yes, Zuria. Anyhow, for the buckle here. Mulu because I took it. It was this quantity. Okay, plus pit excavation. The pit excavation, I'll take it from the BQ. I have it in the teacup, but it was deleted. I didn't save it well. Anyhow, this was it. On the video, the previous video, we calculated together. Anyhow, I will add them. The side clearance, the buckle excavation, plus the pit excavation. And it's important to write it by axis. Because I have in the drawing axis. Now roughly I just done it, but with axis it will be more organized and cleared. Check lamarag, it will be kallal. So all this empty cubed. It's the same material. Okay. This was for the cartaway. Now we will come to the backfill. Backfill for the pit excavation تدرجها. We will backfill it with a compacted material. The degree of the compacted material 2% compacted. It's actually compacted by a truck. They let the truck move on heavy weight. So will be compacted. I saw on one side how they compacted. Backfill, pit excavation, and under hardcore. Okay. For the pit excavation, it's the same area of the pit excavation. Because you will backfill the same amount. On the hardcore we didn't count it, but it will be the same of the pit excavation. So we'll just maybe pit excavation because we count the -1, you can say, because the working space. Anyhow, this is the most accurate. Some they roughly do it or they just guess it, but if it's depending on the liquid, it's better. Backfill also not liquid. Anyhow, after that it will be Karlan, because most of the Sira depends, it's the same like. But تنشي the quantity especially for the area عندك وسط وهذاك لليلة سراج. Anyhow, if I want to go back and take the axis, we go drawing, the structural drawing. Can take the axis from here. So for the trench excavation, it's A to C. مجمرة calculated. So okay, what we have site clearance. Site clearance will move from A to C. Let's say axis A. C. Make it like this. Between Mulu because will be the direction from here 1 to 4. For trench excavation, مجمرة لكيت وسطكم because easy تدمر المولو لمولو around the building or the shear wall. So it's the same axis it will be because مولو لمولو we begin with A to C and then we end up مولو لمولو. Cart away for all areas. Backfill, it's the same. Anyhow, this was the structural drawing. Here is also this is the floor plan. إذا تكفل the rooms. It shows the area and the takafafala in the floor plan. We know this. It's a